Have you ever looked at your phone and seen 20 app updates waiting for you? It can feel annoying, especially when it happens every single week. But why do developers do this? In this video, we are going to explore the three main reasons: fixing bugs, improving security, and adding new features. First, let us understand what an update actually is. When you download an update, your phone is essentially replacing old files with new ones. It is not just a notification to swipe away. It is a package containing new code instructions and assets that change how the app functions on your device. The first and most common reason is bugs. Modern apps are built with millions of lines of code. It is impossible to make them perfect. When users report glitches, crashes, or errors, developers rush to fix them. An update is often just a patch to stop the app from crashing on your specific phone. The second reason is critical: security. Hackers are always looking for open doors or weaknesses in an application's code to steal data. Developers constantly monitor for these threats. Security updates are like changing the locks on your house. They ensure that your personal information stays safe. Reason number 3 is new features. In the tech world, if you are not improving, you are falling behind. Developers use updates to deliver new buttons, fresher designs, or tools that users have asked for. Sometimes these changes are small, but they add up over time to a much better experience. Then there is performance. Have you ever noticed an app draining your battery or running slowly? Developers optimize their code to make it more efficient. An update might not change how the app looks, but it can make it load faster and use less power, which keeps your phone running smoothly. We also have compatibility. Every year, Apple and Google release new versions of their operating systems. When your phone updates, apps often break if they are not updated too. Developers have to release updates just to ensure their buttons and layouts still work on the latest software. Behind the scenes, most tech companies work in what are called sprints. These are usually 1 or 2 week cycles where teams plan, code, test, and release. This agile workflow is designed to push improvements constantly, rather than waiting a whole year for one big release. Sometimes, you get an update that your friend does not. This is called A/B testing. Developers might show a blue button to Group A and a green button to Group B to see which one gets clicked more. They use updates to run these experiments and gather data on user behavior. So, the next time you see that list of updates, do not be annoyed. Think of it as a health check for your digital life. Those updates are keeping your data safe, your battery full, and your experience smooth. It is definitely worth the wait.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.